Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own delicious burrito wrap. We will start by gathering all the fresh ingredients you need for a truly customizable meal. Then, I will guide you through preparing your chosen fillings, making sure they are perfectly cooked and seasoned. Finally, you will learn a simple, effective technique for folding your burrito tightly, ensuring every bite is perfect. Get ready to enjoy a satisfying, homemade burrito in just a few minutes. To begin, select large, soft tortillas, ideally 10 to 12 inches in diameter for easy wrapping. Next, pick your main protein. Seasoned chicken, ground beef, or black beans are excellent choices. Don't forget fresh vegetables like diced tomatoes, onions, and crisp lettuce for texture and flavor. Finally, add your favorite sauces, shredded cheese, and fluffy rice to create a truly satisfying and complete filling for your burrito. First, gently warm your tortilla for about 15 to 20 seconds. This makes it much more pliable and easier to fold without tearing. Next, arrange your delicious fillings in the center, leaving approximately 2 inches of clear space on the left and right sides. Now, fold the bottom edge of the tortilla up and over the fillings, pulling it back tightly. Then, fold in the two sides, and finally, roll the burrito firmly from the bottom to the top. The best part about making your own burrito is the endless customization. Feel free to experiment with various proteins, vegetables, and spice levels to suit your taste. Consider adding creamy guacamole, a dollop of sour cream, or a fiery salsa for extra flavor. Serve your freshly made burrito immediately to enjoy it at its absolute best. This versatile and satisfying meal is perfect for quick lunches or hearty, delicious dinners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.